Exercise 51. The dot plots show the distribution of the values of two data sets. Which of the following is or are true? The median of the values in data set A is less than the median and the mean. Okay, easy thing if we use Desmos. So let me go for the first set. I need the median and the mean. Okay, so let's begin with median first. I will carefully input the values. I have one value of 1, two values of 2, three values of 3, two values of 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. The median in this is 3. Without plugging any new values, I will simply change the prompt into mean. The mean is 3.3. Now, I'm going to do the same for the second set. Let's start with mean this time. Mean, we have two 2's, we have two 3's, 3 4's, 1, 2, 3, two 5's, and 1, 6. So, the mean here is 3.8. And by simply changing the prompt, instead of mean, changing that to median, I get that median is 4. Let's see now the correct answer. The median of the values in dataset A is less than the median of the values in dataset B. Yes, that's correct because 3 is less than 4. The mean of the values in dataset A is equal to the mean of the values in dataset B. No, they are different. So this means that only the first one was correct. So the right answer here would have been B.